Hello everyone. Thank you for watching and clicking this video. In my last video, I had said I would do a review for HelloFresh, so I wanted to take this opportunity to do that. And I will start with, I guess, the three meals that I had. Starting with the chicken cheddar fajitas, that's what I had first. I have a picture of it right here, as you can see. And I thought it was a very tasty meal. It was very quick. I think it was the quickest out of the others, even though it did say 40 minutes. I found it to, you could do everything quickly, like cut the vegetables and all that. It was fairly like overall balanced. You had your meat, you had your vegetables, your cheese, all that. And I also thought it was very flavorful. So out of all the three meals, which you'll see the three meals that I put on here, I think this one was my favorite. And I would rate it like a good 8 out of 10 in terms of convenience. The only bad thing about it was that I wouldn't say it was like fully filling. So yes, it was for two people, but if you eat the whole thing, then yeah. But if it's for two people, you would get three, and of course, I didn't find it filling. Maybe other people might. And then so on to the next one, black bean chili. That one was really good. I will say this one took very long, and I think it took me like a good 50 minutes to like prep. I don't know why. I also feel like I had to cook it longer so that the flavors really, since there was a lot going, into the pot. And yeah, it took the longest, and it did taste really good. But I will say, I don't know, I didn't have a desire to eat like the leftovers, so I did leave it for like my sister to eat. What else? The little tortilla chips that you bake. I thought that went really well with the chili. This was a vegetarian meal, so there was no meat already in it. So I added some shrimp, and I'll have the picture there as well. What else? So yeah, I'm just reading the back of it. And then the last one was the chicken over tabbouleh. I thought that one was pretty good as well, but I didn't do this recipe to the T with this one. I don't have a picture of the food that I made for this because I kind of altered it too much, so it wouldn't make sense to put it up. I took out the bulgur. I actually didn't think I would like it, so I took it out and replaced it with, I think I made like a chicken egg sandwich with this, and then I used the vegetables in it, but I didn't use the lime. I didn't use the bulgur wheat. I don't know. I just was not in the mood for it. I guess when I first chose this meal, it still looks really good, but I think I just wanted it in sandwich form, so that's why I made a sandwich instead with the ingredients. And this one was good, but I will say it was like my least favorite. But in terms of convenience for HelloFresh, I think it is a good option. It's not something that I would do every week. Right now, I've been skipping weeks on. You can alter it online and choose whether you want it to skip a week or to send you a delivery. And for me, I just decided to skip like for a few weeks now, and then if I feel like it again, I'll definitely choose it again. It's very convenient. I hate grocery shopping. I know there's a lot of people out there that hate grocery shopping, so it would definitely be a good option. And there was I think it was like a $35 code that I used. So I had $35 off. So that's the reason why I chose it. This video is in no way sponsored by HelloFresh. Just want to put that out there. But yeah, if you want to try it, you can try it. And those are my reviews of the meals that I chose. In terms of the service and the delivery of it, I had no issues. Everything was, fresh. It wasn't, nothing went bad, nothing was expired. As you can see in the last video, everything was cold, and I think it was nicely packaged. So I do recommend it, and I've only used it one time, so don't trust, my word so much. But if I try it again, I'll have even more to say. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed this review. And feel free to leave a comment below so I can answer any more questions.